Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bre Jahmella. I'm looking real rough today. Got my tea. Today I will be doing my final and last Halloween look. That's why I look like this. Oh my god, I almost spilled my tea. That's why I look like this. And if you are here for the first time, welcome to my channel. On a regular basis, I look way better than this. But today, if you're here for the first time, you're gonna see the rawness of what I look like. I know. Anyway, if you already subscribed, thank you for coming to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I hope you guys had a wonderful week. And let's get right into this video. My sister, by the way, will be doing my makeup. So now let's get right into this video. No. So guys, I am getting this side of my face white. Well, I'm actually gonna do my whole face white, so you guys just get a glimpse. I just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of what my sister was doing, so you can kind of get a cheer of what's going on and just see as it goes. So guys, the face is painted, as you can see. I have on a little bit of red glitter eyeshadow. I will not be putting on my lip until the end because you're getting tea. I like tea is good for you. Next, we're going to outline the crease. You guys want to see how this goes? My iPhone doesn't recognize me, guys. This is insane. I have to manually open my phone. So sad. So now we're moving on. She's going to do an outline. I'm not telling you guys what it is. Obviously, it makes no sense to. I just want to wait to the end. But she's going to draw an outline on my face to continue the look. So now she's just gonna add whatever that is. I already showed a clip of what it is. The final look. So if you guys haven't already noticed, I'm supposed to be Jigsaw. Don't I look like him? All the items that were in this video will be linked in the description box below. I will also link my sister's Instagram and her YouTube channel so you can get more looks like this on her channel. She ate this. Absolutely love it. If you haven't already, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to this video. Also, make sure that you watch my other videos. Like, comment, and share on those too. Thank you guys for stopping at my channel. I hope you have a great Halloween and a great week. See you next Monday.